Hello everyone. Today we will see what is the normal distribution with the help of one problem. So let us know what the problem is. The average number of acres burnt by forest and range fires in large New Mexico country is 4,300 acres per year with the standard deviation of 750 acres. The distribution of number of acres burnt in normal. What is the probability between the 2,500 and 4,200 acres will be burnt in any given year? So in this problem we are given with the standard deviation of 750 acres, and in this problem we are given with the mean of 4,300 acres. Here x1 and x2, which are the given probable variables for which we have to find the z of our problem, that is range. So first of all we will write our given data. So what is given here? That is given mean. Mean is denoted by the symbol mu, which is here 4,300. Standard deviation, which is denoted by sigma, which is equal to 750, and the value of x1 is given as 2,500 and value of x2 is given as 4,200. So by using this given data, we will find out what is the range for the normal distribution, and ranges cannot be in the form of x, so we have to convert it into the form of z. And for normal distribution, the formula of z is x minus mu upon sigma, and in our problem all these values are given to find out our z. So first of all we will find out what is z1, equal to x1 minus mu upon sigma. Here the value of x1 is 2,500 and our value of mean, that is mu, is 4,300, whereas the value of sigma is given as 750. By doing the calculation, we will get the answer of z as minus 2.4. So this is the value of our z1, which is the first point on our figure to find out the range. Now we will move towards the z2. Formula for z2 is x2 minus mu upon sigma. Here the value of x2 is 4,200 and our value of mu is 4,300 divided by sigma, that is 750. After solving this calculation, we will get the answer as minus 0.13, which is the value of our z2, and we will represent this in the form of figure. So we will get to know that what is the range in which we have to find out our normal distribution. So let us move ahead towards our figure. As it shows the normal distribution, first of all we have to draw a bell-shaped curve. Here both the z ranges into negative side, that is at our left hand side of our x-axis. So first point will be at the left side, that is minus 0.13, and another will be minus 2.4. So the shaded region will be in between these. So this is our shaded region in between which the normal distribution will be ranging. So now we have got our z values. We have to use this for finding our normal distribution. So let us move ahead with the probability of finding what is the area which is burnt in any given year. As we were given to find out the probability for the x, which will be ranging in between 2500 to 4200, we have found out the z values. So by finding out these z values, we will get to know what will be our range between which our average will be found, that what will be the acres burnt in any given year. So as we were given with the probability of finding between the 2500 to 4200, first of all we will write probability of finding the acres between 2500 to 4200. In terms of z, we can explain it as P of, that is probability of 0.13 less than z, whereas our second value. So these are into negative terms, but whenever we say that it is in negative terms, it is equal to its positive side. So here it will be equal to the right side, that is 0.13 to 2.4. As both the areas, we know what is the formula for normal distribution. So here we can write probability of z less than 0 less than 0.13 minus probability of z less than 0 less than 2.4. So in our z table, the value of range between 0 to 0.13 is given as 0.9918, and probability for the range between 0 to 2.4 is given as 0.5517. So by calculating this, we get the probability of z, that is x, less than 2500 less than 4200 equals to 0.4401. So let us know from where these two values came. These two values came from the Z table, which will be available on the internet. And for finding that, it is quite easier. Just we have to equalize the values. We have to find 0, and on the above side we have to find where is 0.13. Similar for the 2.4. And by doing this, we have solved our normal distribution problem. I hope you all understand this. Thank you. Have a good day.